The Aerospace Engineering Distance Learning program teaches you advanced concepts in spacecraft design, aircraft design, and a number of other skills that are essential for the technological future that's upon us. The degree we offer here is the kind of thing that can really accelerate what's possible for you in your career.
In other programs, they're just building videos for distance learning students, but that's not how Cornell operates. 1MEng means everything that you would get if you were on campus, you also have access to virtually.
This gives you the chance to participate live in lectures, do homework with the advice and help of teaching assistants and faculty. It also allows you to engage in project activities. So it's a very complete degree experience that you can do in the comfort of your own home.
Working a full-time job, I initially thought that might be difficult to do a master's at the same time, but Cornell is able to work around your schedule.
Lectures are typically recorded. I can watch it anytime. TAs have also been super helpful. I can email them anytime I would like and they respond quickly, and the professor's always willing to help.
The distance learning students, they get to participate in a smallsat mission design project over the summer. So they actually come to campus and get to work on that spacecraft mission.
We start from the initial design phases. We get to pick the mission concept itself and really figure out what we're going to be testing while we're up there. And that's some really cool stuff to be able to look into.
It's a great chance for those who need to get a degree in order to level up in their career or be able to ask leading experts in very specific areas of aerospace what their perspective is and how they can work with them to evolve the existing research domain.
Most major companies, certainly in the aerospace and mechanical fields, offer some means of reimbursement for these degrees. I would expect you'll see a promotion, maybe even a salary increase, but maybe more importantly, you'll get the kind of work you really are excited about.
It's a privilege to experience this culture at Cornell, be able to get so many different perspectives and points of view. That has really encouraged me to think in different ways. It's broadened my scope a lot. I'm looking forward to the next steps in this program.